So today we're going to be putting on a new anchor swivel. We have none. And me and Jason knows that's not a good idea, is it, Kathy? It got kind of got messed up.
I knew what he meant.
And, what'd I say?
Jason.
Oh, I'm sorry. Brandon and Kathy. I was looking at Jason.
You need to start over.
So anyway, sorry about that. So anyway, we got to take this off and put the Mantus swivel on. This is not cheap, but they're heavy duty. So I think this is going to work good. So let's take the other one off first.
First thing we'll need to do is remove the old shackle. It has a tie wire in it that's made out of stainless steel to keep it from turning and coming undone. Those tie wires are pretty tough, hard to cut. That stainless steel, it's hard to really get through, so it takes a little bit to get it undone or unwound or cut through.
Hopefully we got the right size. Had a bunch of sizes to pick from. I'm hoping I got the right one. Ah, that looks like
perfect.
Yay! It did something right. Okay,
remember
and
it
hold
said
that
to-
right there.
Do you need to put this on first?
Oh yeah.
You remember it said to tape those things together.
That's good. Brandon said, you need to put that on first. This is like, yeah, I do. There you go. Now, let's try that again. All right, leave it sitting right there for just a second.
Wasn't it though? I thought it was those two pieces it was talking about taping together.
Was it?
Yeah.
So, I'll do it this way.
Let me hold it up so you can just...
You just hold that pin in and don't let that pin fall. Right there. All right, now we should be able to change this one.
What's to keep the other pin from coming out? The pin down at the bottom, where the chain is.
This
Oh, it
pin?
can't come out.
This is holding it in.
Okay.
The sleeve's over it.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's see what's going on. All right, hold it until I can get it going. Okay, that's good. All right, then put the anchor back on it.
That's a big boy.
Hope it goes through there. That's the next thing.
Ooh.
Okay, let's see, this is gonna have to
Oh wow.
go through here, right?
There you go.
Yeah.
Look at there.
I'm gonna tighten it a little bit, and then we're gonna take a wire tie it. There you go. That'll be much better. Hopefully going up. See? You want Kathy to let it out a little more? Oh, you okay. That's good. Yeah, there you go. I was just testing to see how long you could hold it. I want you to have the same burn I did grinding you up in mess.
People around me walk back and forth between their day-to-day lives, but I don't mind. Storms around me trickle and trump through the midnight sky, but I don't mind. You're gonna have to face it. You're gonna have to let it in. 'Cause up against the wall, mountains seem to fall short to me. And after all, buildings seem to fall in threes. The bones are breaking.
That's not going anywhere.
For the ghost of you, I never knew. Castles crumble, beating down the walls that you never used, left abused. You're gonna have to face it. You're gonna have to let it in. 'Cause up against the wall, mountains seem to fall short to me. And after all, buildings seem to fall in threes.
What do you think?
I think it's great.
Yeah, it looks pretty good there.
Feel the ground
Yeah.
below your feet.
Hang on a second. We'll try to put it back in there.
Move with the rain, let the thunder set the beat.
Alright, Ken. Go in. Slow down. Slow down. Alright. Alright, hold it right there now. I want to see what this does. Forward, just turn.
I thought we'd let it down one more time just to make sure that when it goes back up and over the roller that it turns correctly, because that was the problem we was having before.
Yeah, see it turn? Mm-hmm. Turn that time. Okay, good, Kat. All right, come on up. All right. Oh, okay. That's it. All right, good job. Way to go, Kat. Any last words? We didn't cut no toes off, did we, Brendan?
On Dreamweaver, we install fender holders.